5 stages of sleep and sleep cycles.
There are 5 stages of sleep during the sleep cycle. Scientists categorize the stages of sleep based on the characteristics of the brain and body during sleep. Stage 1, 2, 3, and 4 are categorized as non-REM sleep, and the 5th stage is REM sleep. Generally, brainwave frequencies and amplitudes from an electroencephalogram (EEG) are used to differentiate the different stages of sleep, along with other biologic rhythms including eye movements (EOG) and muscle movements (EMG). The first 4 stages are non-REM sleep of the sleep cycle. Stage 1 of the sleep cycle is the lightest stage of sleep. We drift in and out of sleep and can be awakened easily. Our eyes move very slowly and muscle activity slows. People awakened from stage 1 sleep often remember fragmented visual images. Stage 2 usually follows stage 1 and represents deeper sleep. During stage 2 sleep, the sleeper is less able to be awakened. Your heartbeat and breathing slow, and muscles relax even further. Your body temperature drops and eye movements stop. Brain wave activity slows but is marked by brief bursts of electrical activity. Stage 3 and Stage 4 sleep of the sleep cycle are progressively deeper stages of sleep. These stages of sleep are also called slow wave sleep, SWS, or delta sleep. In stage 3, extremely slow brain waves called delta waves begin to appear, interspersed with smaller, faster waves. By stage 4, the brain produces delta waves almost exclusively. It is very difficult to wake someone during stages 3 and 4, which together are called deep sleep. A sleeper in these stages is often difficult to awaken. Some studies have demonstrated that very loud noises, sometimes over 100 decibels, will not awaken some during SWS. As humans get older, they spend less time in slow-wave deep sleep and more time in stage 2 sleep. Stage 5 of the sleep cycle, or REM sleep, is the stage of sleep associated with dreaming. It is very different physiologically from the other stages of sleep. During REM sleep, study participants reported both intense dream vividness and improved memory of dreams which occurred during that phase, which suggests that dreaming typically occurs REM sleep. REM sleep has intense brain activity. This sleep restores your brain and is good for your memory and learning. You can experience about 3 to 5 periods of REM sleep each night, and each period lasts about 10 minutes, with the last one going up to an hour. While breathing and heart rate increase during REM sleep, most muscles are paralyzed, which keeps us from acting out those vivid dreams. Babies can spend up to 50% of their sleep in the REM stage, compared to only about 20% for adults. Each sleep stage serves a unique role in brain and body restoration. I hope that you enjoyed this video about the stages of sleep. Now here are some funny sayings about sleep. You miss 100% of the naps you don't take. Unknown. I already want to take a nap tomorrow. Anonymous. I'm so good at sleeping that I can do it with my eyes closed. Anonymous. My mother told me to follow my dreams, so I took a nap. Unknown.